Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create forms in GoDaddy Website Builder. Forms are essential for collecting information from your visitors, whether it's for contact requests, feedback, or signups, and GoDaddy makes this process straightforward with their built-in form tools. First, you'll need to navigate to GoDaddy.com in your web browser. Once you're on the home page, enter your login credentials to access your account. After logging in successfully, you'll be directed to your GoDaddy dashboard, which serves as your central hub for managing all your GoDaddy products and services. From here, look at the left navigation menu and click on Website. This will take you to the section where you can manage your website properties. After clicking on Website, you'll be directed to your website overview page. This page displays important information about your site, including your current plan and site statistics. On the right side of your screen, locate the Edit Site button and click on it. This action will open up the GoDaddy Website Builder editor, where you can make changes and additions to your site in real time. Now we're ready to create forms on your GoDaddy website. Start by scrolling down through your existing website sections to find the area where you want to add your form. This could be on your homepage, a dedicated contact page, or any other location that makes sense for your site's layout. Once you've identified the perfect spot, hover your cursor over that section in the GoDaddy editor. You'll notice that an Add Section option appears. Click on this button to insert a new section where your form will live. As soon as the section is added, a right side menu will pop up automatically. This is your Add Elements menu, which contains all the components you can add to your website. From the Add Elements menu, look for and click on the Contact option. This will reveal a drop-down menu with various contact-related elements that you can integrate into your site. From the options that appear in this drop-down, click on Contact Us. This is the default form template that GoDaddy has built in, designed to help you quickly set up a functional contact form without starting from scratch. Once you click it, a sample contact form will be instantly added to the section you created on your website. This form typically includes standard fields like name, email, and message, giving you a solid foundation to work with. Now that the form is in place, all you need to do is customize it to match your specific needs. On your right navigation panel, you'll see options to edit each field within your form. You can add or remove fields, change labels, adjust required settings, and modify the styling to align with your website's design. Take your time adjusting these elements until the form captures exactly the information you need from your visitors. And that's it. You've successfully created and customized a form in GoDaddy Website Builder. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.